Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have Chrisanne with me. Gorgeous lady, yeah, inside and out. She is seriously like one of my really good friends now. We met through, well, your sister. Do you want to tell the story?
Yes, my sister lived in Redding, California, and she was talking to me about this amazing girl that cuts hair on YouTube that she ran into. And I live in Utah and at the time, and so I said, well, golly, she just lives in Nephi. That's right by me. So she's the one that told me about RaDona, and so now I'm here because now I live closer to where RaDona is, and I can come, and it's great.
It's so fun. It is super fun. So yeah, it's cool that her sister told her that she lived close, and then yeah. So anyway, it's super fun. Now we're really good friends, and I'm happy that I get to cut her hair. So we are going to start here in the back, and we're just going to clean up the hairline here. Yeah, Chrisanne is one classy, gorgeous, but you know, not just one of those that's classy, like she's just super nice, caring. Like, of course, one of the first things she says, how's your grandbaby? Like, always worried about everyone else and caring. But anyway, that's just a little bit about her. Okay, so now that we have that cleaned up, we're gonna start here on the top. Last time we left her hair a tiny bit longer just because she was going to a wedding. So we're gonna take a little bit more off than just a trim, which isn't gonna be a ton. I'm not gonna scalp her, but we definitely need just a little bit more than a trim. So I'm gonna do like a 90-degree out until about back here. And then we are going to angle the fingers in to give it that tight, clean, classy look. Yeah, I had to do my nails some bright color because I'm really wanting spring. Like, come on, get some bright going on. Okay, so you can see how that's a little tighter there. And now on the top, I'm just gonna come over here. Same thing, I like to take the hair that I've cut from this and then just add that hair in. And that's how I find my guide point to cut it the same length. And I obviously like to point cut. And then kind of tight here in the back. How was your sister doing?
She's doing great. The
Awesome.
her son's wedding is the one that I went to, and it was a beautiful wedding.
Oh, and it was outside, right?
No, the weather wasn't quite cooperating, so they did it in the venue, but
okay.
Gosh, it was like a wall of windows that looked out on this beautiful scenery, and so it was beautiful.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, so it was really fun.
Well, good.
And my sister Julie that lives in Redding is coming in May, so she has to meet you.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I literally cannot wait to meet you, Julie.
You're
cannot
the
wait.
celebrity for her.
Oh, that's so cute. So sweet. That just makes my day. But yeah, it'll be so fun to meet her and have her come down. And would she do a video?
She might.
We might have to just, because that would be fun. Yeah, show everybody.
Yeah.
That would be fun. Well, I'm not going to lie, I'm kind of jealous that her wedding's over. Not that I don't love it, it's just all the planning and you worry. And so, yeah, Brinley's wedding is in June.
Yeah.
So I'm just
right in the thick of it.
Yep. Just doing all of our flowers for it right now. So anyway, but it's fun. It's coming. It's coming. So you can see I'm just taking every other little, just so it's not straight. And cut into that. So that's clean behind the ear. Okay, and then we'll come over here. Well, I'm glad that Even though we left it a little longer, it was still okay for you.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing. But such a good thing to get it cut, right? It's so funny when people have short hair, they're like, wait, why are you going to get your hair cut? Like it's short, you know?
Yeah.
But no, it is nuts. When you have short hair, you just have to keep it styled or it doesn't go.
Right.
And that's like, oh no, this is long for me.
Yeah.
Like mine right now, I definitely need a cut. But it is, it's funny how when you have short hair, you're definitely used to.
You can sure tell when it's time.
Yes, exactly. Yep. Okay. Same thing here. I'm just coming in. Every other little spot, taking some of that length off. Gosh, it is a beautiful day out there though. That makes it nice, right?
Yeah. Finally.
See, it was the nails. It worked. Let's bring the
Brought it
sunshine.
on.
Okay, now I'm just coming straight across and I'm just point cutting in this. If you, and especially she has so much hair, you want different lengths in there, you want texture in there. So if you can come in and leave some that are longer and shorter, it's best. Just like when, like her before picture, it's longer and she has it styled so darn cute. Like she literally, she comes and she doesn't, I mean, I can tell you need a cut, but it looks like perfect. When she comes in, I'm like, yep, I mean, you need a cut. I know it needs length off, but she styled it so darn cute.
And that really is because of the excellent cut. And so as it grows out,
Of course, she's so
I
sweet.
but as,
Oh.
as it grows out, I can still style it. Yes, it's longer, but it's amazing the difference.
Well, awesome. Thank you. That's so nice. It's just, I literally, your styling is phenomenal. Not everybody has a knack of, you know, styling fun hair. And so when you have it, you have it, and you have it. That's cool. So you guys can see there's different lengths in here. This looks like it's 2-1 length right there. So I'm going to come in, take a little bit of that bulk out. So we can have short, long, short, long. Then of course, we're gonna come up here, close by the ear, so this is nice and clean. Yeah, so my daughter's wedding is outside. So same thing, I'm like, oh, please be good weather, because you just never know, you know?
And what time of the month?
June 20th.
Oh, that should be nice.
Yeah, I'm hoping. My other son, 2 of my sons were in June 18th and 27th, and then one was in July. So we lucked out. My last son's wedding, and after we got cleaned up and we was heading out, it started to storm bad. So I'm like, oh my gosh, we're so blessed. We got that over with.
And are you having it at a
So we actually have some property up in our canyon, it's up Nephi Canyon.
Oh, that'll be beautiful.
Yeah, and so it's so pretty, and oh man, it's been fun. It's just crazy that I'm on number 4 wedding of my 5 kids.
Yeah.
You know, I'm like, what? And my baby is, you know, just being a freshman and her freshman years are almost done. I'm like,
Blink.
Yes.
It'll be over.
yes, it's crazy how that works. Okay, and now we're gonna come in here, go on a little bit of an angle, open and shut the shears. Okay, so I'm lifting this. You can see how it's kind of falling here. So texture time. We're gonna come in with these to take some of the bulk out. And this is the texturizing shears that have more teeth in it. So I'm taking out a little bit of bulk because too much hair is heavy. And so we are going to take some of the heaviness out. But then I'm going to go back through with the texturizing shears that are more chunky, like they're, and I'll show those to you in a second. And then we're going to go throughout the top. So it's not, so it gives it different lengths up top. And that way, when you piece it out, when you style it, that it gives it more movement. So it doesn't look just like it's all cut like this. You want to have some texture and movement in there. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about when I say chunky texturizing shear. You can see it takes out more hair, kind of chunks it out more. And I like to take this up through the top, through the edges. Can you tell definitely when you have texture and when you don't? Have you had your hair when it's not been textured by chance?
No, but I haven't had it done, like you're talking about two different types of
Yes.
shears. I haven't ever had that before.
Okay, but you have had texture.
Some texture, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it really
Otherwise,
does.
it would be so heavy.
Yes, it would stand up. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so true. She has thick hair, so this definitely will help it stand up.
And it just feels better. I feel like I have a hat on my head
Yeah.
if I don't get it.
If you don't get it. Yeah, that is so, so true. So like, just like that, lifting it up, now that's just staying up. And I love that. Okay, cool thing that I wanted to show you guys. With this style, she has a cowlick back here, so it kind of splits and it pokes. So a lot of times, you know, people have a hard time or they try growing it out or whatever. Just wanted to show you guys how good that this, like it's kind of a swirl here and then it pokes out here. So when I go to style this, I'm going to show you guys how awesome. Oh, whoa, I grabbed that one. Okay, here's the mousse. How awesome this cowlick goes with this style. Okay, we're going to do the mousse. And then I'm going to show you what I recommend with cowlicks is you need to take care of them first when you are drying. Be aware of your cowlicks. Don't just let them air dry. If you let them air dry, it's going to be more of a, like, when you don't like your cowlicks and you let them air dry, you won't like them even more. So, definitely take care of the cowlicks first. So, we know that this sticks up. So I'm going to kind of dry this down a little bit. So right here, you can see that I'm kind of coming in on an angle, but where the cowlick is, I'm coming down. And the reason being is because it's already growing to stick out, so you don't need any movement there. So you just dry it. So go back and forth, but make sure you do this down. And then when you get up here, you can start moving back and forth for the movement. Can you see how that's drying nice? Chrisanne's color is gorgeous. It's so cool. She has the dark, a tiny bit of dark around her face. And oh my goodness. Like when you're going to style it, you'll see it's gorgeous. So you can see that I'm just kind of drying this forward. You can see the different lengths through here. Okay, now the fun part. Making sure. So it looks like over here, this is a tiny bit longer. it's kind of funny how you get to know someone's hair. You know, I cut it the same every time, but if there's something out of place, you just kind of know your person now. And friend, client, not person. I mean, that works. Okay, we are taking some of the styling paste. We rub it in the hands, and then we just start grabbing. So we can just piece this out really good. And definitely along her face right here. How you doing, dear?
Great.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
It's like getting a massage.
Yeah, true, right?
Great.
That's good. A little massage is good.
Oh, yeah.
So you can see I'm kind of grabbing little pieces up top to kind of not clump together, but just piece out. Okay, and then I'm going to show you back here with this cowlick. So see, it dried good in with this cowlick that's coming down. And then we just kind of grab at this. And then you literally would never know there's a cowlick back there. It helps her have a little bit of volume. So that's good. You can use cowlicks to help too. It's just learning how to use them. All right, now I'm going to turn her towards the mirror so we can see. How are the bangs feeling, sweetie?
Feels real good.
Okay,
Great length.
good. Okay, I'm just gonna back comb a tiny bit, just around the top. And then what we'll do is take the hairspray and spray, and then put it into its place. Yeah, gorgeous. You're gorgeous. It was it bugging in the back? Because it was so long for you.
It was long enough.
Yeah, I was like, oh my goodness, that's probably starting to bug her. So, oh my gosh, so cute.
Feels great.
So cute. Okay, awesome. I'm going to turn her around one more time so you guys can see the finished product and the back. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. Gorgeous job. Thank you, Chrisanne. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate all your love and support. And next time we will chat, and we'll see you then. See ya.